Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb liyasum to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'lu amr, commandment. Fi'lu amr, commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb liyasum to suit the pronouns below? Liyasum simply means he should fast. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb liyasum to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one, ana, I. So how do we change the verb liyasum to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb liyasum will now become li'asum, which means I have to fast. Li'asum, I should fast. Ithnan, number two, nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb liyasum to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb liyasum will now become linasum, which means we should fast. Thalatha, number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb liyasum to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach, lamun and ya'un. We are going to be left with sodun carrying dhamma and mimun carrying sukun. Since the first letter sodun is carrying dhamma, so that means it's pronounceable. So there is no need of going to borrow alifun again. So the verb liyasum will now become sum, which means you should fast, commanding a single male person. Khamsa, number five. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb liyasum to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach ya'un to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So now that mimun is taking kasra, we are going to retain our lost wawun. The reason waw was omitted was because of the mimun carrying sukun. As we know that two letters carrying sukun will never meet in Arabic. We must do something to avoid it. So the verb liyasum will now become sumi, which means you should fast, commanding a single female person. A single male person, sum, but to a single female person, sumi, we retain the wawun because the mimun is now taking kasra. Khamsa, number five, here, she. So how do we change the verb liyasum to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb liyasum will now become litasum, which means she should fast. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from three upward. Plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb sum can only be used to command a single male person to fast. So if they are two, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. Now that mimun is taking fataha, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb sum will now become suma. Suma, which means you should both fast. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma. Now that our mimun is taking dhamma, we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb sum will now become sumu, which means you should all fast, commanding a group of male persons. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the wawun, what is it doing there? So the alifun is only telling you that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb. Rather, it is an extra letter. Then we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb sumi can only be used to command a single female person to fast. So if they are two, use the same form of the verb, suma, which means you should both fast. So if there are more than two, you go and replace yaun in sumi with nunu carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. Now that the mimun is taking sukun, we are going to cancel the wawun, because two sukun will never meet in Arabic at the same time. So the verb sumi will now become sumna, which means you all fast, commanding a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid number one. ليصم خالد يوم الأحد. ليصم خالد. Khalid should fast يوم الأحد on Sunday. اثنان number two. لتصم زينب يوم الاثنين. لتصم زينب. Zainab should fast يوم الاثنين on Monday. ثلاثة number three. صم يوم الثلاثاء يا خالد. ثم يوم الثلاثاء. You should fast on Tuesday. يا خالد. Khalid. Arba number four. Sumi yawm al-arbi'a ya Zainab. Sumi yawm al-arbi'a ya Zainab. Sumi yawm al-arbi'a. You should fast on Wednesday. Ya Zainab, Zainab. Khamsa number five. Suma yawm al-khamis. You should both fast on Thursday. Talking to Hashim and Khalid. Sitta number six. Sumu yawm al-jum'ah. Ya Ikhwa. Sumu yawm al-jum'ah. You should all fast on Friday. Ya Ikhwa, brothers. Commanding a group of male persons to fast. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Sab'a number seven. Sumna yawm al-sabt. Sumna yawm al-sabt. Ya Akhawat. Sumna yawm al-sabt. You should all fast on Saturday. Ya Akhawat, sisters. Thamania number eight. لأصم يوم السبت. لأصم يوم السبت. I have to fast on Saturday. Tisia number 9. لنصم غدا يا إخوة. لنصم غدا. Let us fast tomorrow. يا إخوة, brothers. اليوم, today. أمس, yesterday. غدا, tomorrow. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك. أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.